Today, we're stepping inside the all-new 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 BTP, a masterpiece of modern motorhome engineering that redefines what it means to travel in luxury. This isn't just an RV. It's a five-star hotel on wheels, blending power, precision, and pure comfort for those who crave the open road without ever giving up the feeling of home. From the outside, the 2026 Allegro Bus 45 BTP immediately commands attention. Its sleek full-body paint gleams under the sun, with Tiffin's signature chrome detailing and bold new graphics that make it look more like a luxury yacht than a motorcoach. The massive panoramic windshield gives you a commanding view of the road ahead, and the LED headlights give it that unmistakable modern flair. Under the hood, the heart of this luxury beast beats strong, powered by the legendary Cummins X15 engine producing 605 horsepower, paired with an Allison 4000 mH transmission. This combination delivers incredible torque, smooth acceleration, and effortless cruising even when towing your car or trailer behind. Whether you're climbing mountain passes or gliding across the highway, the Allegro Bus feels planted, powerful, and confident. As you step inside, you'll instantly understand why the Allegro Bus is considered one of the finest motorhomes ever built. The moment the door closes, the world outside fades into silence, thanks to advanced insulation, premium materials, and Tiffin's impeccable craftsmanship. The living area feels like a designer suite, not an RV. Plush seating, elegant wood cabinetry, LED accent lighting, and perfectly stitched leather furniture create an atmosphere of understated elegance. The main living space is designed for both comfort and entertainment. Dual opposing sofas expand the area, while the huge flat-screen TV rises silently from the credenza with the touch of a button. The sound system is tuned for theater-quality audio, making movie nights or relaxing evenings feel just as immersive as home. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find a chef's dream setup. Solid surface countertops, a residential-sized refrigerator with an ice maker, a convection microwave, induction cooktop, and deep stainless steel sink make cooking a pleasure, even on the go. There's also a built-in dishwasher because this coach isn't just about adventure, it's about living well. Every cabinet is soft close, and the storage design has been carefully planned to make full-time living effort. Across from the kitchen, the dining area offers a spacious table with two comfortable chairs, perfect for working on the road, enjoying meals, or simply gazing out at the landscape through the huge side windows. It's luxury that feels effortless, wrapped in natural light and modern design. The flooring is heated throughout the coach, and Tiffin's climate system ensures year-round comfort with advanced insulation and triple-zone temperature control. You can travel from desert heat to snowy mountains and still enjoy the same level of coziness inside. As you continue toward the rear, the Allegro Bus 45 BTP reveals one of its most impressive features: a full spa-style bathroom and a master bedroom that feels like a private retreat. The bathroom includes a large residential shower with glass doors, premium tile, and a rainfall showerhead. There's a solid surface vanity, dual sinks, and even a backlit mirror that makes the space feel more like a luxury hotel suite than an RV bathroom. Behind the bathroom, the bedroom expands into a true sanctuary. A king-size bed sits under a beautiful ceiling accent with soft LED lighting. There's a full entertainment setup with another smart TV, abundant wardrobe storage, and even a washer and dryer tucked neatly away behind custom cabinetry. It's designed for long journeys without compromise. But what really sets the 2026 Allegro Bus 45 BTP apart is how smart and intuitive everything is. From the digital touch control panels that let you manage lighting, shades, temperature, and slides, to outside, the Allegro Bus continues to impress. Huge basement storage compartments with power slides give you access to your gear easily. There's an outdoor entertainment center with a large HD TV, premium speakers, and an integrated refrigerator, perfect for tailgating or relaxing under the stars. The automatic awnings deploy with LED lighting, turning the exterior space into your own open-air lounge. The fit and finish are second to none. Tiffin's attention to detail is legendary, and every corner of this motorcoach shows why. From the handcrafted wood trim to the precision stitching in the seats, everything speaks of quality that's built to last for decades. Even the driving experience is elevated. Thanks to its Powerglide chassis, air suspension, and automatic leveling system, the Allegro Bus glides down the road with absolute stability. You feel in control but also at ease, like piloting a luxury jet that happens to roll on asphalt instead of air. When you park for the night and step outside, the integrated underglow lights softly illuminate the ground beneath, giving the entire setup an elegant, high-end ambience. It's not just about travel. It's about style, confidence, and unmatched comfort, all rolled into one. The more time you spend in the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 BTP, the more you realize this isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. Every corner has been carefully thought out to make extended travel feel effortless. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or full-time living, it's built to make every day on the road feel first class. One of the things that stands out is the atmosphere. The lighting inside this coach is fully adjustable, with warm ambient tones that can transform the space from bright and energetic in the morning to soft and cozy at night. The windows are large and tinted for privacy, but still allow in beautiful natural light that makes the interior glow. You can open the shades with a simple tap, or let the automatic blinds adjust themselves based on the light outside. At night, the sound insulation truly shows its worth. When you settle into bed, there's a peaceful quiet that's hard to describe. No rattles, no road. There's also something special about the way this RV lets you disconnect while still staying connected. The built-in Wi-Fi booster and 5G capability make it easy to stream movies, attend meetings, or stay in touch with family no matter where you park. It's freedom without compromise, the ability to wander without losing your digital comforts. The 2026 Allegro Bus 45 BTP doesn't just cater to comfort. It's also about practicality. The massive basement storage areas have slide-out trays that extend fully. The cockpit is a highlight on its own. Both the driver and passenger seats are designed for long journeys, offering multiple memory settings, lumbar support, heating, ventilation, and massage features. The dashboard feels futuristic yet intuitive. Digital gauges display everything from tire pressure to energy flow and navigation. There's also a heads-up display that projects essential driving information right onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road at all times. When it comes to comfort while driving, Tiffin's Powerglide chassis ensures the ride remains stable even on uneven roads. Air suspension automatically adjusts in real time, minimizing sway and keeping the motorhome level. The steering is smooth, and despite its size, the Allegro Bus feels surprisingly easy to maneuver thanks to its tight turning radius and advanced camera system. If you ever need to set up camp, everything is automated. Leveling the coach takes just one touch, as the hydraulic jacks find balance automatically. The slide-outs glide out silently, expanding your interior into a spacious suite within seconds. The awnings extend at the same time, creating shaded outdoor living areas, ideal for relaxing afternoons or evening gatherings under the stars. For those who love off-grid adventures, this model has you covered too. With a massive battery bank, solar array on the roof, and a powerful generator, you can stay completely self-sufficient for days without hookups. The power management system automatically balances energy usage, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing comfort. There's even an advanced water filtration system that purifies every drop entering the coach. So, whether you're filling up at a campground or a remote location, you always have clean, fresh water on demand. The holding tanks are heated and insulated, allowing for true four-season travel. Bed. A full-length wardrobe opens with cedar-lined interiors to keep clothes fresh. A built-in dresser, multiple drawers, and a second TV make the space feel like a real apartment bedroom. And tucked neatly behind sliding doors, you'll find the washer and dryer, a luxury feature that turns long trips into truly comfortable living. In the bathroom, everything is designed to feel residential. The countertops gleam under LED lighting, and the faucets have a brushed nickel finish. The shower features both a rainfall head and a detachable sprayer, and there's even a bench seat inside. When you step out, heated floors keep your feet warm, a detail you wouldn't expect, but instantly appreciate. For couples or families, the 2026 Allegro Bus 45 BTP offers flexibility too. The large living area can transform for guests. Sofas convert into comfortable beds, and the climate system maintains even temperature throughout, ensuring every part of the coach feels like home. One thing that sets the Allegro Bus apart from other luxury RVs is its build integrity. The Powerglide chassis isn't outsourced. It's built entirely in-house by Tiffin to match the motorhome perfectly. That means every system, every weld, and every suspension component is designed with harmony in mind. Outside, you'll also find small touches that make a huge difference, like magnetic bay doors, motion sensor lighting, and an electric reel for your water and power cords. These are the kind of conveniences that turn setup and teardown into quick, effortless tasks. And then there's the outdoor living experience. With the entertainment center open, a big screen TV glows softly under the awning. The built-in sound system fills the space with music, and soft LED lighting illuminates the patio. Add a few chairs, maybe a small table, and suddenly you've created a luxury outdoor lounge that moves with you wherever you go. The Allegro Bus 45 BTP is designed not just to travel, but to make the journey itself the destination. As the sun sets and the golden light reflects across the polished body of the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 BTP, you realize what this coach truly represents. It's not just a way to travel, it's a personal retreat on wheels. It's about rediscovering freedom, comfort, and peace, all wrapped in a shell of precision engineering and timeless luxury. Driving this motorhome feels like commanding a private jet. Everything moves with elegance, from the quiet hum of the engine to the smooth glide of the air suspension beneath you. On the open road, the world slows down. You're surrounded by comfort. The design language inside the Allegro Bus 45 BTP is more than visual luxury. It's emotional luxury. The soft textures of the leather, the depth of the wooden cabinetry, and the smooth touch of the surfaces. They create an environment that invites you to slow down and truly enjoy where you are. Tiffin's designers wanted to make a statement with this model. Luxury doesn't have to be loud. It can be quiet, elegant, and deeply satisfying. Every small touch, from the hidden hinges to the handcrafted trim, tells the story of a company that refuses to cut corners. For travelers who live for the road but refuse to compromise, this is the kind of motorhome that bridges both worlds. It's strong enough to handle mountains and highways with ease, yet gentle enough to make every destination feel like home. And home it truly feels like. Imagine waking up in the Allegro Bus, sunlight spilling across the floor, a cup of coffee brewing in the kitchen, the soft sound of nature outside. You slide open the shades, and the view stretches endlessly ahead. No hotel checkouts, no tight schedules, just you and the open road. That's what makes this experience different. Every journey in this coach feels like a memory being made. Whether you're heading for a mountain escape, a beachside sunset, or a quiet forest road, it adapts perfectly to every moment. The technology, even the little things are special. The steps that glide out automatically as you open the door. The lights that softly illuminate your path at night. The elegant design of the mirrors that help you navigate effortlessly. Every interaction feels deliberate and luxurious. Tiffin has always been known for reliability, but in the 2026 model, they've elevated that into something extraordinary. This isn't just about longevity. It's about creating a timeless product that will look and feel beautiful for decades. The paint finish, the seams, the way every panel fits. It's built not just to perform, but to impress. The Allegro Bus 45 BTP's massive panoramic windshield brings the outside world into your living space. The view is cinematic, making every mile a visual experience. It feels less like driving and more like gliding through landscapes, with the comfort of a luxury apartment following wherever you go. When you stop for the night, you don't unpack, you simply arrive. Everything you need is already with you. The lighting dims, the temperature adjusts, and your home on wheels wraps you in quiet. That's the magic of Tiffin's craftsmanship, the ability to turn the road into something peaceful. For many RV enthusiasts, this motorhome isn't just a purchase, it's a dream realized. It's the kind of vehicle that transforms the way you think about travel. Instead of worrying about where to stay, you begin to ask, where do I want to wake up next? Owning an Allegro Bus isn't about showing off. It's about knowing you've chosen one of the best-built motorhomes in the world. It's a reflection of refined taste, attention to detail, and appreciation for quality that endures. For couples who want to travel full-time, retirees seeking ultimate comfort, or professionals exploring remote living, the 45 BTP checks every box. From the comfort of the living area to the smart connectivity and robust engineering, it's ready for anything life throws your way. Each time you park and step outside, people notice the deep luster of the full-body paint, the chrome accents, the signature Tiffin grille. It turns heads wherever it goes. But it's not just the way it looks, it's how it feels. The sense of stability, of quiet confidence, is unmatched. As night falls and you settle back into your seat, you look around and realize that this isn't just an RV. It's your personal sanctuary. Every sound, every light, every texture has been designed for one purpose: to make you feel at home, no matter where the road leads. That's the soul of the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 BTP. It's not about speed or flash. It's about grace, purpose, and the art of living well. It's about traveling beautifully, comfortably, and freely. And in a world that moves faster every year, that kind of quiet, confident luxury is more valuable than ever. So, if you've ever dreamed of owning a true rolling masterpiece, a home that moves with you, carries your world, and makes every destination feel like paradise, this is it. The 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 BTP. Built for those who don't just want to travel, but want to travel beautifully.